Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Analytics on your website, quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Analytics website. Log in with your Google account or create a new one if necessary. Once logged in, click on the Start Measuring button. Fill in your account name in the provided field. Set up the data sharing settings according to your preferences, then click Next. Enter your property name, which is usually your website name. Select your time zone and currency from the drop-down menus. Click Next to proceed. In the next step, provide basic information about your business. Choose the industry category that best fits your website. Select the size of your business. Click Create to go to the Terms of Service. Review the terms and conditions, then accept them to continue. You will now be directed to a screen displaying your tracking ID and global site tag. Copy the global site tag from this screen. Next, open your website's content management system, or CMS. If you are using WordPress, navigate to your dashboard. Go to the section where you can add code to the header of your website. This is often found under Appearance Then Editor or in a dedicated plugin for header scripts. Paste the global site tag you copied earlier into the header section. Make sure to save your changes. Now, go back to the Google Analytics dashboard. Click on Real Time to verify if your tracking code is working correctly. Open your website in another tab to see if data is being captured. If everything is set up properly, you will see activity on your Google Analytics dashboard. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Google Analytics on your website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.